Guys, this is the cucumber garlic salad. Ayun. Guys, what's up guys, mis amigos, mis amigas na mama. For today's video guys, we will make a cucumber garlic salad for lowering the blood pressure. Because for the past 3 weeks guys, nagpa-medical ako doon sa Jeddah and the result was bad. So I need to do the diet and have lifestyle change, which is I changed already. No, what I mean is to change my diet because of this high sodium intake. So my BP was 157/100. So I need to lower my blood pressure, and then the doctor panel physician referred to the other hospital for other investigation. So I need to go back again after 2 weeks for the next appointment. So hopefully it will be clear. So for today guys, I will make a cucumber garlic salad for lowering the blood pressure. So guys, I will let you show guys how to make this salad. Okay, so keep on watching guys. Ngayon guys, punta tayo ng Bacala guys. Yung Bacala guys, parang kon yung guys, sari-sari store. So ito yung Bacala guys. Guys, ito yung Bacala guys. So guys, meron tayong cucumber guys. What yung cucumber guys? Ito. Ayan, cucumber. Yan guys. Meron ang palaya din guys. Ang palaya. Ayan. Yan yung Bacala. Ang itlog. And then all here. Cucumber. Kukatin cucumber. Maybe give me 5 pieces. 5 pieces. Ayun. Yun na yun guys. Yun yung binili ko guys. Meron na akong garlic doon. Tsaka yung Himalayan salt. So yun ang gawin natin ngayon para sa salad natin. So para diet tayo ngayon guys, kasi when diet is life, di ba? Para bababa yung BP natin. So hey guys, keep on watching guys. Kasi punta muna ako ng clinic kasi yung duty ko ngayon is from, actually it's 2 to 12 ng gabi, pero minsan kasi papasok ko ng mga 12 to 10 para makauwi ng maaga at saka makakatulog ng before 12 para hindi tataas yung BP natin guys. Okay guys, keep on watching. Sobrang init na guys. Sobrang init, grabe. Ayun. Exercise tayo ng alas 12 na, alauna na guys. Alauna ng hapon. Yan, ang clinic. Ang clinic namin guys. Doon yung ambulance. Ayun yung ambulance. Yun nakapark doon. Tapos yung clinic. Pasok. No mask, no entry. Okay? Hello guys. Mag-start na tayo guys kung paano magawa ng cucumber garlic salad. So guys, mag-gloves na tayo. Kasi guys, para hindi maamoy yung kamay ko sa garlic. Kasi ako matagal matanggal yung amoy ng garlic eh, diba? So keep on watching. Yes, ito pa yung mga ingredients guys. Yung cucumber, we have 2, 4, 6 pieces of cucumber. So we have this apple vinegar, or pwede din yung apple cider vinegar din. Tsaka I have this Himalayan salt, the pink salt. Then I have this garlic. So I'm gonna use 3 to 4 cloves. Mga 4 cloves siguro yung gamitin ko. Yun guys. So keep on watching guys. Gloves tayo. Para hindi maamoy yung kamay natin ng garlic. So kuha tayo ng 3 cloves ng garlic. So 4 ang gusto ko kasi gusto ko yung garlic guys eh. Yung aroma ng garlic. Yung gusto ko eh. So pwede din kung guys, 3 lang. So sa akin kasi 4 or 5 siguro gawin ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, malaki para sulit. Yun. 3, 4, 5. 5 na dito guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yung the rest, sa ibang na naman. Ibang araw na naman yan. Food is life, guys. Kasi may iba kasi dyan nag-take advantage na sa health natin, which is they're not eating healthy foods, but they just ignore. So as early as now, guys, at the age of 20 or 20, late 20 na ganyan, you should know what you are eating, so that in the long run, sa edad nyo ng mga 30, 40s at least, ako na lang. Kasi meron kasing sabihan, guys, na once daw yung lifestyle mo daw ng 30, which for late 20s or early 30s, it will be continue until na maging matanda tayo. So as early as now, dapat magkuhan tayo ng mga healthy foods to eat para malayo tayo sa mga sakit, guys. Yung talagang culturals na ngayon, kasi alam nyo na naman na pandemic na yun, so we should be healthy. Okay, guys, tapos yung garlic natin, guys, ilagay natin dito. Tapos we will slice the cucumber. Ito lang cucumber, guys, na slice na gugas na to is already clean, so I just dried it up and then I will slice into like this, simple as that. Yun. Yun, guys. Tapos yun, guys. Ayun po natin. Linisin natin muna ito, ha? Guys. So ito, guys. Linisin natin yung i-mixin natin, ha? Tapos natin yung vinegar na ito, guys. Vinegar, mga kuan, guys, 3 teaspoon. 1, 2, 3, apat lang, guys, kasi medyo yan, apat. So, ang bango, guys. Tapos simple lang, guys, mga kuan lang, guys, mga 2 2 pinch lang ng Himalayan salt guys, pink salt. 2 pinch lang. Ayun, tapos. So yun, i-mix na natin guys. I-mix na natin. Hello guys, good evening guys. Yung kahapon pala guys, hindi ko na kain to kasi busy kahapon. Alam niyo na, so medyo may pasyente, so kalimutan ko tuloy. So ito guys, kainin ko ngayon yung salad natin. Ito yung cucumber garlic salad. So kainin natin ito ngayon, okay? Ang bango talaga. Ang bango. Sobrang lamig naman, pero okay lang. Masarap siya guys kasi sa apple vinegar guys. Masarap. Basta yung may garlic, yung aroma, at saka yung cucumber. Masarap. Ganyan po guys, naiwan guys. Masarap siya guys. Kasi maasim siya na garlic tapos may cucumber. Masarap guys. Sobrang sarap. Okay. Dami-dami ahos oh. Sarap yan guys. Guys, thank you for watching guys, and hope you like this video guys. And guys, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified for my next video. So guys, thank you very much, and see you in my next vlog.